Hello, ladies. Welcome back. Let me ask first, are you beauty conscious? Of course, every woman is. But here is another question. Are you health conscious too? Do not forget that beauty comes with a price and every pro has its con. In this video, we will discuss various things that women should avoid using because they are extremely detrimental to their health. At the same time, we will inform you about healthier alternatives. So, let's get started. 1. Sanitary pads. For every woman, a sanitary pad is an essential part of their life. They are considered the most vital hygiene product. Almost every woman uses these pads because they are easy to carry, comfortable, and most importantly affordable. But, some serious health problems are caused by these sanitary pads. Chemicals like acetone, styrene, and propylene glycol are used in the manufacturing of pads. To reduce the smell of menstrual blood, artificial scents are put on sanitary pads. These perfumed pads can cause serious problems such as cancer, as well as disrupt a woman's reproductive system, resulting in several birth complications. So, the best alternative to avoid such a mess is to take care of your health by changing your sanitary pads after every 3 or 4 hours. Other than that, a menstrual cup is the best option to get rid of these scented sanitary pads. 2. Deodorant. Sweating is a natural process and we cannot get rid of it by any means. The fact is that sweat makes us stink, and to avoid this, we use deodorants. Deodorants reduce the amount of sweat you produce and help you stay fragrant for a long time. Deodorants are harmful as they lead to many health problems and can damage your skin. Chemicals like triclosan and phthalates and parabens are utilized in the preparation of deodorants. These mentioned chemicals cause breast cancer. Natural deodorants must be used to reduce odor without blocking it. For that, try using products with safe ingredients for this. For example, you can use baking soda, cornstarch, or lemon as a natural deodorant. 3. Makeup powder. To give a final touch to makeup, women apply compact powder. The powder is considered essential in makeovers since it reduces sweating and makes you look fresh. For the preparation of these powders, talc is used. Talc contains asbestos, which is considered carcinogenic. All the products containing talc contain 2% to 20% asbestos. The excessive and continuous use of such powders can result in cancer. However, there is no replacement for such products, you can just reduce your use of them. 4. Nail paint. Nail paint makes you look cool and stylish. Women keep up with the latest trends and use nail paints of various colors and designs to add a trendy touch to their personalities. Here, you will be surprised to know that many harmful and toxic chemicals like toluene and formaldehyde are used for the preparation of nail paints. Toluene is considered a primary ingredient in gasoline, glues, and paints. Toluene can induce eye and nose irritation, fatigue, dizziness, headache, and liver and kidney damage. Because our bodies absorb things through our nails, exposure to such substances can result in the absorption of these dangerous chemicals, resulting in cancer. Unfortunately, there is no alternative for nail paint. The best thing you can do is avoid using nail polish altogether. Only this way, you can avoid the dangers of these hazardous chemicals. 5. Hair removal creams. These days, women prefer items that save time and are simple to use. The market for hair removal cream is fairly big since ladies prefer using products that do not require much time or effort. A chemical named thioglycolic acid is used in hair removal creams. It can cause severe skin burn. The containment of toxic and harmful chemicals in these creams is definitely deadly for the skin. It is always stated on the packaging of hair removal cream that it should not be used for more than 3 minutes. You may think that what is the safest alternative? Wax is the best and most acceptable alternative to hair removal products. Waxing is quite painful, but it is not as harmful as those creams. So, waxing is a great option. But, there is more. If waxing is too painful for you, you can use an epilator instead. Although it is unpleasant, it is far better than those toxic creams. Please let us know in the comments section what you think about these products. Also, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day.